Hi friends, welcome back to our channel I Study for You. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to remind you to hit that like button if you find this video is helpful. Your support really helps the channel to grow. Also, if you think this video can benefit others, please share it with your friends or anyone who might find it useful. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with all my latest educational videos. Alright, let's get started with today's lesson. To improve efficiency and consistency, we have utilized AI generated voice for this video. We are committed to providing high quality content and welcome your thoughts on this approach.
Like the concept of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, 5 marks. Concept of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Introduction. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, also known as the Clean India Mission, is a nationwide campaign initiated by the Government of India to clean the streets, roads, and infrastructure of the country's cities and rural areas. Launched on October 2, 2014, by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the mission aims to honor Mahatma Gandhi's vision of a clean and hygienic India by the 150th birth anniversary of Gandhi in 2019. The campaign is a significant step towards achieving universal sanitation coverage and improving the overall quality of life for Indian citizens. Objectives. The primary objectives of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan are: eliminate open defecation, construct toilets for households, schools, and public places to eradicate open defecation and improve sanitation facilities, eradicate manual scavenging, modernize sanitation practices and provide dignified employment to manual scavengers, ensuring no one is involved in this hazardous practice. Efficient solid waste management. Promote proper waste segregation, collection, transportation, processing, and disposal to manage solid waste efficiently. Awareness and behavioral change. Educate and motivate citizens about the importance of cleanliness, hygiene, and sanitation, encouraging behavioral change and community participation. Ensure cleanliness in public spaces. Maintain cleanliness in public places such as streets, parks, and markets, ensuring a clean environment for all. Encourage private sector participation. Involve corporate entities in funding and implementing sanitation projects as part of their corporate social responsibility (CSR) initiatives. Key components. The mission is structured around several key components to achieve its objectives. Household toilets. Financial assistance is provided to households for constructing toilets, promoting the use of individual sanitary latrines. Community and public toilets. Construction of community and public toilets in urban and rural areas to cater to the needs of people who do not have access to household toilets. Solid waste management. Developing systems for efficient waste collection, segregation, transportation, and disposal. Encouraging recycling and waste-to-energy projects. Information, education, and communication (IEC). Conducting awareness campaigns and educational programs to inform citizens about the importance of sanitation and hygiene. Capacity building. Training and capacity building of local government officials, sanitation workers, and other stakeholders to implement and sustain sanitation initiatives. Achievements. Since its launch, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has achieved significant milestones. Construction of toilets. Millions of toilets have been constructed in rural and urban areas, significantly reducing open defecation. Behavioral change. Increased awareness and behavioral change among citizens regarding the importance of sanitation and hygiene. Improved waste management. Enhanced waste management practices with better infrastructure for waste collection and disposal. Community participation. Active involvement of communities, schools, and local bodies in maintaining cleanliness and hygiene. Recognition and awards. India has received international recognition for its efforts in improving sanitation and hygiene under the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Challenges. Despite its successes, the mission faces several challenges. Sustainability. Ensuring the sustainability of sanitation facilities and practices, particularly in rural areas. Behavioral change. Achieving long-term behavioral change among all sections of society remains a challenge. Waste management. Effective waste segregation and disposal continue to be challenging, especially in densely populated urban areas. Funding and resources. Securing adequate funding and resources for the ongoing maintenance of sanitation infrastructure. Conclusion. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is a transformative initiative aimed at creating a clean and hygienic India. By addressing critical issues related to sanitation, hygiene, and waste management, the mission seeks to improve public health and enhance the quality of life for all citizens. Continued efforts, community participation, and sustained commitment from all stakeholders are essential to realizing the dream of a Swachh Bharat.